Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and this is going to fall under the tips and tricks. So about halfway through the iter tools, I realized, and I've been dying to show you guys this, and I realized that I'd been having to show you the for loop because I didn't want to break in and do it. And so I thought I would just wait until the very end, and because last video was the last iter tools. So okay. There, when you create an iterator, it just sits there and you can't see it, right? And we have to go, hey, either I can go next, Y, and get them all to come out, right? Well, let's do this. But it's still there. But there is an awesome, it's like the splat. So you do this and you get everything in there. So let's see. Oh yeah, let's move this to the end. So you can, oh, if you didn't see this last video, I'll put it up right here. So let's run this. So print. So there you go. It just splats out everything. So you do not have to run a for loop or do a bunch of next. It's just going to spit out everything in the iterator. And I just can't believe that I've been forgetting to show you this, but we've had to type for loop. It's been killing me. So real quick video today. You guys are doing an awesome job, asking some really good questions and calling me out when I need to explain stuff just a little bit more. And that's what we're here for. I want you to come when you have a problem, when you're going through something. I want you to be able to find this in one place. Or if you're like me, you have to see something over and over again, or better, type something over and over again for it to sink in, because I have to screw up 15 times before I get it. And I want to save you, if I can save you any pain, any heartache, and be able to search all this stuff, that's the point of this. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if this is the kind of video you like, and make sure you're subscribing and hit the notification bell, because we have videos coming out all the time. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.